Hi there, it's Wim from Model Maker Systems. Today we illustrate a new function in Model Maker. You will find it under Analysis and it's part of Module 3. If I go to Analysis, it tells me no triangles to work with. So I just threw a C search. I already have points loaded, triangles, C search. And if I go to Analysis, the function's name is Quick Flatten. Now, if I replot to just show you my contours, and I have image loaded as a background. This is typically if you did a drone survey and you got a lot of high points in your survey that you want to get rid of. You can use this function and it will, based on the perimeter points, flatten the area. To illustrate it, I go to Quick Flatten. Okay. I use option 1, any irregular shape, and say define area. My snap mode, I'm going to snap to DTM points. And then you can just click out the area that you want to flatten. So I'm going to take this group of high points here, which might include both trees and building points. Let me just go around there. I'm going to leave out that one, include this one. If I right click and say accept, you'll see that it flattened out the area, updated the contours, and immediately I can continue with the next one, define the area. So if I only want to take out that tree there, right click, you can see that it updated the contours. And in such a way you can get rid of all the high points in your survey. Going to exclude that and just include this building. So typically this would be something like trees or houses or towers, anything that's created high points of your drone survey or of scan data. You can use this function to update your model. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Till our next video.